There is a bat on your head by Moon Warrens. There is a bat on your head. Piggy, is something on my head? Yes. There is a bat on your head. There is a bat on my head. Ah! Is there a bat on my head now? No. Now there are two bats on your head. What are two bats doing on my head? They are in love. The bats on my head are in love. They are lovers. Lovers. How do you know they're lovers? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have a good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have three baby chicks on my head. And two bats and nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two bats and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It was. Bye. No, they are not bats on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome.